Galing kami.
Ano mo yung bun? It's flat as fuck. It's flat. I don't like it flat.
This is mine. A champ. Because I'm a champ. I ain't no junior champ. I'm a big champ. Big burger champ goodness. And Bella?
Fries muna. Mamaya, burger. Wala burger champ.
On the way to Santa Cruz. Oh? Santa Cruz. Bye-bye.
Wait lang. Hi! Gago. Hi vlog. Welcome. Hello. Punta kaming gis-gis. Tignan yung project ni Ate Bebe. School building. At ako naman ay acting. Saan na yung ano ko, lisensya ko?
Tignan mo, hindi mo dala?
Dala ko! Andito lang yun, boss. Somewhere in my bag. Ayun, nakita ko na siya. Ako na mag-acting SO2 8 Arcega SO2. Yan lang.
Nakita yung lisensya mo.
Oh shit, yung nakita ko.
Nakita yung sensitive
Ah, sige
information.
na. Baba, dala. Hi. Okay, bye-bye.
Push the fucking pack of the portion, put it down, down. Get the strap off it, happen to blow it, makes a round sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to down, down. Put a rapper, black, cracking pounds. I got a black down, that's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background. I'm a black man with a bloodhound. Some Mac 10 making love sound. Through the back chick, hip off sound, brush out sound. Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit a doogie, wanna do it, do it, bleed.
Wala pa lang lipstick.
Now, and I feel like a bust down when I shine it still.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
We're at the beach. Sobrang hirap maglakad. Nakasandal ako. Hindi ko naman alam na ano eh. Dito pupunta. Kala ko sa... Ano? Hello! Nag-record. Pa-post.
Ang ganda mo yan.
Plancha ako.
Yung dalawang nasa harap kinukuha niya.
Oh my God.
One, two, three. Stop. Nakarecord na siya dati.
Opo. banana, may cherry. Cut my hair shorter. A little crazy. Cut my hair. Why? Because I was losing hair. Oh my god, I was losing a lot of hair. Like whenever I do this, some fall out, nothing. So that's good. It's stopping. But yeah, I've been losing hair. Oh, nothing. Nothing anymore. So that's good. Means my hair is a lot healthier now. What are you doing? What are you, Mo? Whenever I see myself gain weight. Whatever. Going on, I don't even know what to call it. It's not camping because we're not gonna be staying overnight. Although we did pack the tent, some water, food, more food, of course. And yung paluto. What's it called? You need gas, whatever, but that and a whole lot of those. And look at this. These are tables. These are really cool because when you open it up, it's like it already has chairs. A lot of people have been asking for this. Keep forgetting.
Awesome transition, let's go.
Dito na tayo, diba? Ang galing. Babayad na ng entrance, pare.
Tatawid ko. Ilan lang kayo?
Anim. Pwede na kayo sumakay dyan.
Wait lang. Ang aming uncle from Canada, napakainit, naka-long sleeves. Naka-long sleeves pa rin. Kamusta ang init? Masarap. And si Adrian, kakabalik lang from Japan. I-show off mo yung watch. Ay, tinanggal mo yung watch. Sayang.
Nandiyan pa yung mark.
May mark pa.
Anong watch?
Bumili siya ng watch sa Japan. Anong watch daw yun?
Ooh,
Japan.
it's a micro brand from Japan.
Wow.
Wala pa nga yung boss rin eh.
Oh, yeah. Kakaiba. Dala.
Bitbit pa niya yung box kanina. Iniingatan niya.
Tinanggal ko kasi sa bag.
Hello, I'm attempting to walk down the... ay shit, nakakata-cute. Bel, careful ha. Medyo ay, putangina mo! Yeah, no, don't step on that one. Oh, so cold! The water is so cold! Ang hirap mag-iwan dito ng stuff. Huwag ka dyan sa side na yan ha. Madulas daw yung ano na yan.
This is not scripted. Ulitin mo yung sinabi mo ulit.
Iikot ako dun. Tingnan ko malalim.
Okay, sunod kami ni Beo.
Ako, hindi ako bumalik. Alam mo na ano nangyari sa nag-float.
Nakaganon ka na sa tubig. And there she goes. Malalim? No, it's not. Mababaw pa yan. Sana pala dinala mo to. Bato ko sa'yo. Tong!
I drank some.
Kain na. My hair is a mess.
Alam mo, hinahanap ko itong shorts ito kanina.
What shorts?
Actually, yung
Makaganyan kayo. Mag-aagawan kayo. Shorts ko yan eh.
well, binigay sa akin ni Mami.
Hindi, akit kayo din, Be. Tagal. Okay ba?
Yun na. Okay, kain na.
Ano daw muna? Ano daw muna? Kami hindi.
Diet lahat.
Ayos to isa. Thank you so much.
Okay.
O, ito kayo na ba to?
Oh, ito. Sama.
Dagdag pa?
Okay na. Bilang ko sa tagal eh. Ano? Alam mo yan. Hindi ako nagra-rice. Ito sa akin, hindi ako magra-rice.
Ayan.
Nandito pa
Ayan.
Ito sa ito.
Bigyan mo ako dyan ha.
Napaka...
Sila Bella, wala pang rice.
Hindi, dito sila magkano. Asan kay Fernan daw?
Oo, walang awat ah.
Asan kay Fernan? Dito, kay Fernan nga.
Nangawat ah.
May kanin na si Daddy. May kanin na siya. Ulam na lang.
Kulang yan.
Ulam.
Kain.
Dito na kami, kuhanan na kami.
Baby, panlayo mo sa amin.
Ang init.
Ang init. Tabi tayo, dyan na lang ako. Patingin nga kung gaano kadami kumuha mga to. May dadoy.
Hula yan bro. Oh, yung mga boy ng ano, Arsenic Hardware. Kuha na, yung mga boy.
O, si Andoy.
Mga boy, yung mga boy ng Arsenic Hardware.
Liempo, hotdog, mangga, ensalada. Wala na yung kare-kare. Wala na yung pako. Ubus na.
Ubus yung pako.
Dahil batis na lang.
Ano mo ako ng ano? Ng kutsara.
Ay, over here. Bigyan mo kay mama mo. Ay. Mag-uum for the kare-kare.
Sino ba yun?
Sana dinala natin yung painting para nag-painting tayo. Kaso lang, Manila. Hindi, kasi si Austin. It's time to take a shower. It release the sun is scorching. Oh my gosh. I-on mo na.
Huwag mo itapat sa bag nyo.
Okay, game on. Hindi, ganun ko lang.
Kaya akala ko tatayo, itanggal pa ako ng ano. Dami talagang tao dito.
Okay, so I'm here at my mom's surplus store because I am looking for a new bag, particularly for my cameras. And I got this. This is, I don't know how to pronounce the name. M's Gracie? Miss Gracie? Mrs. Gracie? But it's a Japanese brand. And we looked it up. This bag is around 2,000 pesos. It doesn't have a handle or a sling, but that's fine. Let's go look around. Let's go look around for other bags. It's over here. Scavenge. You know, surplus stores always have that hidden gems. Some really cool brands that are actually really cheap. Like this one. This is actually a cute. Wait a minute. This actual. Wait. Givenchy to ayet? This one. Authentic ba to? Walang tag? Oo nga, gago, Givenchy to. Oh my god, the first bag I saw is Givenchy. Yeah, it's dirty. Is it real though? This is their logo. Is this for real? Aww. Okay. This, me and Ayet actually bought this in Singapore. This was pasalubong for Bella, and she's not using it no more because she's grown, but sayang, this is really cute. Passport holder. Oh, sige,
Familiar
sige.
sa mga tatak eh. Magkano
Well-
presyo na nilagay ko?
200 lang ata to. Wait lang.
Shit.
Kano to? Yeah, 250.
Oh.
Ay.
Oh, sige, bye-bye.
Picture mo na. Oh. You arrange and then we eat. One
Ito na
for
ako
you.
mismo maglalagay. Hindi lang paper plate.
Chili oil, you want?
Please na mag-collect ako.
Oo nga, na-place marap.
Oh, yun pala. Dapat. Parang di na rumihan.
Kasi tapa mo.
Ay, Bella, sige tapa!
Ayun ata. Ang salap mo.
Oo.
Ilagay ng camera.
Nasa lap ko.
bagong bukas sa Gobic. Tabi ng Modis, ano? Modis Pizza?
Takot ako kung ano yung lumapit sa akin. Yumuko siya.
Ba't nakapaa ka? Eh, maganda nga pala yung tubig. Paang mo.
Ano yung pagkapa mo?
So, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ito, Bella Cam! Ito.
Dito mo itaphan.
Ay, kala ko ako lang.